This digital product has made at least $13,200. And by the way, that isn't for selling the jumper. It's just for the image of the dinosaur. You see, t-shirts are a classic money-making idea, but selling them the traditional way is an absolute headache. You've got inventory, shipping, customer complaints. It's a lot of work, but you don't need to sell t-shirts at all. Instead, you can make serious money selling downloadable t-shirt design packs. No printing, no shipping, and no dealing with physical products. It's all digital, and once it's set up, it runs on autopilot. And here's the best part. You can get started today using a secret Etsy loophole and some insanely powerful AI tools to create designs. Let me walk you through exactly how to do it. So the first thing to understand is that this business model is perfect for anyone who wants a low-maintenance side hustle, or even a full-time income stream, without spending hours dealing with customers or inventory. You're not selling the shirts themselves. Instead, you're selling the design files that other people use to print shirts. These files are downloadable, which means buyers can grab them instantly after purchasing, and you don't have to lift a finger. Your job is just to create the designs, using AI tools, so no graphic design skills are required, and upload them to platforms like Etsy. People are making tens of thousands of dollars doing this. Using a tool called Allura, you can see exactly how much money other shops are making from selling digital t-shirt designs. And let me tell you, the numbers are wild. There's a shop called Creative Pro SVG that's made over $120,000 in revenue from selling t-shirt designs. This Etsy store pulls in over $3,000 a month in revenue, which is what some people make from their full-time jobs. Shops like this aren't printing shirts or managing inventory. They've uploaded their designs once, and Etsy does the rest. That's the loophole. Etsy's digital marketplace is booming, and you can jump in without dealing with the usual hassles of running an online store. Now that you understand the potential, I'm going to show you how to set up your own store step by step. Step 1. Set up your Etsy account. If you don't already have one, it's quick and easy to create. Go to the Etsy website and click the Sign In button in the top right corner. From there, choose Continue with Google to make things faster. Once your account is created, you'll see a button that says Get Started. Click it and then click Let's Do This to start your shop setup. Etsy will ask if you've sold on the platform before. Select I'm starting to sell for the first time ever. They might throw in some optional questions about your shop goals. Don't overthink it. Just scroll to the bottom and click Skip this question. Finally, hit Start Your Shop, and you're officially in business. Etsy will now ask you to choose your shop's language and currency. Stick with what makes sense for your location, for example, English and USD if you're in the US. When it comes to naming your shop, don't overthink it. You can always change it later, so pick something simple and descriptive like Bold Tee Designs. Once you've filled out all the details, your shop is set up and you're ready to start listing products. But first, we need your designs. Step 2. Create your designs. Here's what's great. You don't need to be an artist to make stunning t-shirt graphics. Start by using ChatGPT to brainstorm design ideas. For example, you could say, give me 20 ideas for retro t-shirt designs. Give me an image generation prompt for each one so that I can generate an AI image for each design. You'll get a bunch of different suggestions with prompts. Once you have a list of ideas, it's time to bring them to life using AI tools. A great free option is Leonardo AI. You can sign up for free, and they give you 150 free credits to use every single day. Once you're logged in, click on Image Creation. Then, simply copy one of the prompts you got from ChatGPT and paste it into this text box here. You can leave the preset on Phoenix 1.0, or you can check out the different styles depending on what kinds of designs you want to create. For example, if you're creating anime-style designs, you can choose the anime preset. I'll stick to Phoenix 1.0 for this tutorial. Down here, you can also pick the number of images that you want Leonardo to create. These will just be different variations of the same prompt. I'll stick to 4. Now, just click on Generate. Leonardo AI will create a beautiful graphic in seconds with variations. You can pick and download the best ones. Then, do the same process for the other design ideas and prompts that ChatGPT gave you. And here's a quick tip when you're using these tools. Avoid including text in your design prompts. AI tools aren't great at generating clean, readable text, so it's better to focus on visual elements like patterns, illustrations, or symbols. Once you've generated a good batch of designs, save them to a folder on your computer. Aim to create at least 100 designs for your first pack. Buyers love variety, and the more options you offer, the more likely they are to purchase. Step 3. Prepare your designs for delivery. Start by uploading your folder of designs to Google Drive. Create a new folder, drag your files into it, and click Share. In the sharing settings, change the option from restricted to anyone with the link. Copy the link. You'll need it for the next step. Next, create a simple Google Doc to act as a delivery document for your customers. Write something like, "Thank you for shopping" with your shop name. Click the link below to access your files. Highlight the text. Click here to access your files. Paste the Google Drive link and click Apply. Once that's done, download the document as a PDF. This PDF will be what customers receive when they purchase your product. Step 4. List your product. Now, go back to your Etsy shop and list your product. When Etsy asks what kind of product you're selling, select Digital File. This tells Etsy that your customers will be downloading the product, rather than receiving something in the mail. Next, choose a supply or tool to make things. This category is perfect for t-shirt designs because your buyers are likely small business owners or DIY enthusiasts looking for designs to print on shirts. Etsy will also ask for a date range to indicate when the item was created. Choose something recent, like 2020 to 2025, to show it's a fresh, up-to-date product. When you're creating your product title, think about what buyers are searching for. A good example might be Bold Quirky T-shirt Design Bundle, PNG files for DIY projects and custom apparel. This title is packed with keywords that help your listing get found in Etsy's search results. Then scroll down to the Digital Files section and upload the PDF you just created. This way, Etsy will automatically deliver the file to customers as soon as they complete their purchase. Once everything looks good, click Save and Continue to finalize your listing. Step 5. Get more exposure. To boost your sales, think about uploading your design packs to other platforms like Redbubble and Zazzle. These marketplaces have their own audiences, which means more potential buyers for your designs. Another great strategy is to start collecting customer emails. Create a simple mailing list to notify buyers when you release new design packs. This is a great way to keep loyal customers coming back for more. You could even offer a subscription service where customers pay a monthly fee to receive exclusive design packs. PayPal makes it easy to set up recurring payments, so this can become a steady source of income. By now, you can see how simple this business model is. You're using AI tools and Etsy's digital marketplace to create a passive income stream that needs hardly any effort from you to maintain. Once your shop is set up and your designs are uploaded, the rest runs on autopilot. Buyers purchase the files, Etsy delivers them instantly, and you keep earning. It's one of the easiest, most scalable ways to make money online right now. Will you be trying this business model out? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.